So this is what I'm really excited about. Check out these rankings. And this is just in the warm-up phase of my new SEO strategy. So, formal dresses Brisbane. Nearly 6 million competitors. Boom, number 1. Formal dress shop, nearly 1 billion competitors. Boom, page 1 already. Formal dresses Melbourne. Number 3, page 1. Now I'll show you more of these later on. And having a client who's so happy with the results that she's prepared to do a video testimonial for me.
Hi guys, my name's Ellen and I'd like to do a quick testimonial video for Peter Drew. I contacted him a few weeks ago because I was changing and updating a lot of the products on my website. He said that that was great and that he's developed a new software and that he would like to use it for my website. So yeah, just in the last 3 weeks, my traffic has increased by about 21%, which is fantastic. And my sales revenue has increased by 37%, which is amazing. I haven't even changed the website yet to my new products. I haven't updated anything just yet. So it's really great to see the results coming through already. Pete's amazing. I highly recommend him for SEO work. And yeah, just a big thank you to Pete for everything you've done for me so far. Thanks.
The ranking power of this indexer software is beyond belief. And here is where I need to fess up and tell you that my original plan was to build this massive indexer. And as it turns out, what I built was so much better. So, here we are. What is this software and how does it work? So first of all, you start the software, you enter links and you enter article content, and you can use spin tags. And with the links, you can use what I've dubbed token tags, which is revealed more in the video tutorial and the strategy video that are combined. The value of the content in the strategy is worth more than what the product is that I'm selling right now. And I'm throwing that in for free. So let's go back to this. Start the software, enter your links, and you can use token tags. Enter your article content, plus you can use HTML, so you can put images, embeds, anything you like in the article window of the pages on the blogs that are created. So what does it do? You enter that into RSI, click start, and what it does, it comes down here and it creates a Blogger blog. Using this content up here, it also creates a Tumblr blog. Now the reason I chose these is because number 1, you can log into both of them with a Google account, and number 2, they both have RSS feeds. And then 3, once your blog has been created, the software then dumps it into Webmaster Tools for rapid indexing. Thank you very much. That's only the very start. So then what we do then, we've got the RSS feed from the Blogger blog and the Tumblr blog, and we've got 10 WordPress blogs that we've customized. So when we post those WordPress blogs and RSS feed, they are reproduced as individual posts on these WordPress sites. So any post you put here is replicated in a random number of these WordPress blogs as individual posts, and the same for the Tumblr blogs. Thank you very much. Once these WordPress blogs are populated with the new content from Blogger and Tumblr, via IFTT we have 10 Twitter accounts connected to this WordPress blog, 10 Tumblr accounts connected to this WordPress blog, and 10 more Blogger blogs. So whatever goes into here, from here and here, is reproduced 10 times here, 10 times here, and 10 times here on a random number of the WordPress blogs that we originally post to. How cool is that? So let's continue. I love this graphic. As it says there, there's only 100 slots available for this product for founding members or beta testers. I want the best 100 people to join this program, because right now we're only at the very beginning. What you see here is infinitely scalable, and this is just the start. So I want 100 people to jump in with us and figure out what phase 2 of this system is going to be. So it's simple. Fire up the software, enter your joint spun article content for context, blah blah blah, just what I've said. It goes to 10 Tumblr blogs, 10 Blogger blogs. Here's another graphic here. Enter links, article content. Oh, and I forgot to say, when you create the Blogger blog, when the software creates a Blogger blog, you'll get 4 links from 4 other members' Blogger blogs linking to that, which we know how powerful that is. And plus your links, you'll get links on your Blogger blog supporting your other members' blogs as well. So this is very, very cool. And then these are the links. So these links are produced using the token tags that I mentioned earlier, which I go into much more detail how to do it in the video tutorial and the video strategy and why we need it. And these are the links. So what you're looking at now is actually a post on a Blogger blog created by the software. Look, it's sensational. You can put any embeds in here that you like. That's an embed up here of a YouTube video. I just use the embed code supplied by YouTube. Very, very cool. So as you can see, this is a Blogger blog. Very, very cool. So let's get back to the rankings that I mentioned earlier. These are the ones we saw before. Formal dress Brisbane. Number 3 now. Because they're moving around, it's doing the Google dance, which is a bloody good sign. It means Google's taken notice of what we're doing. Formal dress shop, nearly 1 billion competing pages. Where is it now? It's 7. Let's try it again. Still 7. Formal dresses Melbourne. Number 2, thank you very much. Formal dresses Sydney. Now see, this is on page 4. But what's amazing is when I first started this project, it was page 10 or 12. But what's even better is that it now has, geez, I keep forgetting what the new GMB name is, but it's ranked on the first page for her GMB. Very, very cool. I'll just quickly see where it's up to now. It was page 4. And now speaking of this site, we're rebranding this site from a bandage dress site, which has an average sale of $70, to formal dresses, graduation dresses, etc. And they have an average sale of $400. Thank you very much. So that's why we got that 37% increase in sales just by running this software. What page is that? That's 3, so we're probably still on 4. But that was way down the SERP, so I'm very happy with where it is now. No, I think it was page 5. Yeah, there it is, top of page 5. So it's come up on a couple of spots. And that's with 18 million competitors. Formal Dresses Australia, page 5. I'll see where it is today. I haven't checked these since yesterday. And also I'm doing experiments how to get this website to present these 10 images, and I'll keep everyone informed about our results if we can pull it off, which I'm pretty sure we can. in a perfect world, I'd get her site ranked #1, page 1 for all the terms, with her best dresses displayed exactly like this. And I think we'll be able to pull it off. No, still on page 5. Which is okay, because it started, oh there you go, it's up the top of page 5 now. Which is cool, because I think Formal Dresses Australia started at page 13, 15 or something. Now the reason I'm so excited about where we are, because I'm just in the warm-up phase of this SEO project. And you can see the root is still got the old bandage dress title and content. So I haven't even changed that. What I'm doing is warming up the Google algorithm with the new terms. And I think I've worked on the site for 3 weeks now, so I'm going to give it a rest for 2, 3, 4 weeks. Then I'll come back, update that title, update the content on the website, on the page itself, and then get back into it. And it's going to be like turning on a fountain of traffic for the terms that we want it to rank for. What else have we got? Year 12 dresses. Year 12 dresses, this was page 17 when I first started checking. Are we on page 1 yet? No, still page 2. No, page 3, it's still moving around. There it is there. And see, so look at the term Year 12 dresses. Look at this title. So you can see once we update the site to suit the terms we're ranking for, it's going to explode in the rankings even further than it already has. Formal dresses, 500 million competing pages. This was on page 15 when we first started. There it is there on page 5. I'll just quickly go through it now. There's those listings that we're going to try and achieve to get. Just watching this, guys, you're going to love the strategy that comes with this software. It just makes perfect sense. Okay, page 4. Formal dresses, Year 12, 230 million competing pages, and we are on page 3. Let's see if we bumped up. Wow, page 2 already. Very, very cool. Graduation Dresses Australia. We're on page 2. Where are we? Down here. Let's try again. As I said, I checked this. Last time I looked at it was yesterday, around this time. Okay, still on page 2, which is good, it's stable. Year 12 graduation dresses, top number 2, page 2. Let's have a look now. Still there. So, well, what have we got here? Sydney Formal Dress Shop. 24 million competing pages. Oh, there's the GMB. Thank you very much. It's not going to take much work to get it from page 2 to page 1. And there you go. Sydney Formal Dress Shop, and look at this title. Nothing in there. So obviously when we update the title, I'm just doing it really slow with this project because this is a very valuable site, turns over a lot of money, so I'm just doing it gradual and taking my time, and we're already getting 21% increase in traffic and 37% increase in revenue, so there's no dramatic hurry to push it. So I'm going to give it a rest after this. So here's the software. I'll show you the project that created this actual site that you're looking at. I just made it before. Here is where you put your links, and here is an example of token tags. And what that allows you to do is every time you run the software, it will randomly use this keyword phrase, this keyword phrase, or this keyword phrase as anchor text. So once you set up your project, you just restart it. You start it, click next, put your article content in here, put your title up here with spin tags in here. You can use H1. This is an iframe, so you can put embeds of anything you like in this content. You can put images. This is the article content, so everything you see here is spun. Each time it makes a new one, it's different text here, and that's it. So you put your article in, whack in some HTML, embeds, images, what have you. Select the Google account. By the way, all of this work was done with me using this software, using only one Google account at a time. In the tutorial, I'll explain about using more Google accounts. And you click start, and that is it. You know what it does. Preview window comes up. You can watch it all being created, and it's very, very cool. As I said, the strategy content that I supply, about 30 minutes of it in video, is worth more than you'll be paying for this. You know what the funny thing is? I don't even know how this works. I designed it, but how the software, where is it? So here's the software. Look, we know how the software creates Blogger blogs and Tumblr blogs based on the content you provided. We know that. But how this software gets that data into these WordPress blogs, I don't know. We know we customize these WordPress blogs to read incoming RSS feeds and turn them into individual posts. I know that. I know how we did that. But how this software gets these Blogger blogs into them via the RSS feed, I don't know. But that's why I employ Max, who is a genius, as we all know, and everyone gets to benefit from it. This is also the only opportunity you'll be able to get. We're selling this in beta for founding members with a lifetime license, which is going to be dramatically more expensive when we release it down the track, particularly after when you guys help us innovate this system, because it's infinitely scalable. We could have 1,000 across here and 1,000 down there if we wanted, or maybe we can add more in here. But look, as it's working now, maybe we don't need to do anything. But anyway, I want you guys involved, so that's why I'm only releasing 100 spots to get the best 100 founding members. So if you'd like to be one of those founding members, it's easy. You know what you got to do. Number 1, like the video. Number 2, share the video. And most importantly, comment on the video below, and I will PM you a 50% discount coupon code. And that value is the biggest discount I've done in my career, I think. You're going to love this bloody software. And I'm throwing in the strategy report, which is of equal value to what you'll be paying for this software for free on the house. Whether that's released in the next, when we go public with this, I don't know. But you're going to love this software. You're going to love the content I supply with it. If you want to rank in competitive niches, this is the software and the strategy for you. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.